Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a QQ account. First, open Google Chrome and search for a QQ account. Now, click on the first link that appears. Here, enter your name and password. Then select your country code and enter your phone number. Next, click on Send and you will receive a verification code. Enter the code. Now solve the CAPTCHA as instructed. After that, check the box for terms and conditions and click on Sign Up Now. If a message appears stating that your mobile phone is at security risk, you will need to use Mobile QQ to register. If you haven't downloaded Mobile QQ, scan the QR code provided on the page to download the app and complete the registration process there. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.